Okay, over here I have my Bauer bandsaw, and it's a 9-inch. It works pretty good, and it suits my needs. I bought a stand for it to bring it up a little higher. Works great. Back here I have my Makita saw. It's on a Hercules stand, and the Hercules miter saw stand works awesome also. I can move it around, take it outside wherever I want it, and that's that. Okay, over here I have my Harbor Freight bench, and this is also a really good buy. You've probably seen the video for this, and if you haven't, I have it in my list of videos. This is a great bench for the price, and I didn't have to go through the trouble of making it, especially for the garage, so that's also awesome. And the Hercules stand over here, I also have a video for. Check it out. That's another good video. Okay, moving right along. I also have some Harbor Freight magnets, 18-inch magnets for all my chisels, for all my other tools here, my pliers and side cutters and needle nose and all that. And then on this side over here, I have also more clamps and straight edge clamps and quick grip clamps. And over here I have my Bauer little 8-inch drill press, which is perfectly fine for me out here. And then also my Bauer grinder, which is great as well. And then over here I have my Skill table saw, which you also saw a video for, as well as the Bauer drill press. And the Skill table saw, it's awesome. It's very comparable to all the other DeWalt's and Bosch and everything else. Pretty much you get a really good package cheap. The only thing different is that the rip cut on the right side, a little bit shorter with this one. Not much, but it works out great. And also, let's move it right along here. I have some Hercules spade bits, and they work really awesome. Also, they have the threaded tip for a better bite. And then I also have here, I have the whole thing of hole saws, which also is Hercules, and it works really great. And this is all good for a garage shop. I mainly use my basement shop. If you guys know me, you've seen my basement shop, and if you haven't, check it out. But this is just a shop that helps me be out in the sun, be out in the light, see windows like the one behind me here, see over here to outside by my garage door. It's a lot better than being in a basement where you have better than being in a basement where you have no light. So that's pretty much why I decided to make another shop out here. And also, what are some of the other things? Let's see, what do we got? We have over here my Ryobi tool rack, which holds all my different Ryobi tools. I don't have them all out here yet, but I'm going to get them out here. And that's that. We'll go from there.